Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Grok 3 AI to build TradingView strategies even if you have never written a single line of Pine script. So Grok 3 is Elon Musk's latest AI model that is made by XAI. It can do a lot more than chat. You can ask it to help write or improve trading indicators and pull strategies, including converting simple trading ideas into Pine script code. In this tutorial, I will show you how to open Grok, how to write useful prompts, how to use the AI generated code in TradingView, and I'm going to give you some of the tips to improve your results. So whether you are a trader, a coder, or a complete beginner, this will help you get started with automated strategy building in just a few minutes. Now, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. In the first step, you will have to come at grok.com. So you can either click on the link that is given in the description and you will be landed on grok.com, or you can open your web browser and search for x.ai. Once you are on this page, simply click on the try Grok option and it will redirect you on this page. Over here, you can also access Grok with the help of the x.com dashboard. So if you have X Premium Plus account, you can access it from there as well. Now, whichever method you choose, you will have to sign in into your account with the help of your email address. So you need to just do that. Once you are in, you will see a clean chat style interface like ChatGPT, but with a personality. Now you are ready to start prompting the AI. Here is an important tip that you need to keep in mind. You need to keep your instructions clear and focused. You can use simple languages like convert into indicator to a strategy or write Pine script for RSI based trading. Now is the time to convert an indicator to strategy. Let's say you already have a Pine script indicator you found online or created yourself. You can ask Grok, you can give it this prompt like convert this RSI indicator into a strategy with buy sell logic and proper backtesting setup. You just have to press enter over here, and here you need to also paste the original code in the same message. Grok will analyze the code and give you the strategic logic, entry and exit conditions, the strategy header for TradingView, optional features like alerts or stop losses. Here you can ask Grok to explain what it added so that you could understand what's happening in the script. Now in the third step, you will have to build a strategy from the scratch. So you can also start from nothing, and here is a simple prompt that you can use for it, like create a Pine script strategy for TradingView that enters a long position when the 9 EMA crosses above the 21 EMA. You can add stop losses or take profit here. After typing this prompt, you will have to press the generate button. Now Grok 3 will generate the full code that includes the strategy title, EMA calculations, buy conditions, risk management rules. So you need to just copy the code from here. This is the copy contents option here. So you can copy the code from here. Then you need to come in your TradingView, open the Pine script editor here, and after that you will have to just paste this code over here and hit the enter in order to add it to the chart. You will have to see whether it is working or not. So click on the publish strategy option, click on add to chart, and the script will be added just like this. So you will see backtest results instantly, no coding needed. Here is the pro tip: you can ask Grok to optimize the parameters to make your strategy more accurate. Now, sometimes Grok's first version might have small bugs. As you can see over here that it is not showing me the total trades that I have taken. So in order to fix these small bugs, you can simply just copy this prompt over here that I have given you. So here you need to come back on this page and type this prompt, fix the error in the Pine script like undeclare, identifier close, or any of the error that you are facing. It will usually fix the issue in seconds. Also, if you want to adjust something, just say add a condition to avoid any trades during the weekends, or you can even type something like only allow one trade per day. You can even add volume filter to reduce any noise. Grok can keep refining the code line by line, making it a great co-pilot. So here are some of the tips, like when to use and when to be careful while you are using Grok for TradingView. So you can use it for building the simple or intermediate strategies. If you want to learn Pine script basics, you can use that for. If you want fast prototypes or testing, you can use Grok for that. I would like to say that you can avoid using Grok for any live trading without any testing. If complex math based models and strategies that risk real money without proper review. So always test the paper trading mode first, and Grok writes good starter code, but it is not always optimized or bug free in the first try. If you want to enable paper trading in TradingView, you will have to come at TradingView and then log in into your account. Here in the bottom, you will see the paper trading option. So if you click on paper trading, you can basically start paper trading on the trading view. You can even connect any other broker over here as well. So this is how you can start using Grok 3 with TradingView to create the trading strategies with AI. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below about your favorite trading strategy idea. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.